Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre, and today it's all about zone cleaning in zone 4, which for me is my dining, living and little sort of TV snug. And it's fine. I mean, it looks fine, but I know that I have to go underneath things, and I have to put some conditioner on the leather sofa, and I have to clean the marble tops on some things. So all of those little jobs that I can whisk over, place looks fine, but I just know they need doing. Getting ready sort of for Christmas, mainly just because it needed to be done and I don't want to think about it once it gets hot, she said jokingly, because it's, I mean, it really is cold today. I'll be too hot as soon as I start cleaning, so I'll go and put on a t-shirt, but you know what it's like. One minute you think, oh, spring's here, how beautiful, how lovely. Next minute I'm closing the door and thinking, I will not put the heating on in November, not a chance. But we've had thunderstorms, we've had high humidity, and now we've got cold. So, happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you are sitting down now, you've done the big family thing, you've had a lovely day, and I hope now that you're able to just sit back and watch me do some work, because I think you've probably done enough. Anybody who's hosted Thanksgiving. For everybody else who doesn't have Thanksgiving, like here in Australia, but I think it should be a global one because it's a great concept. We can tidy up or not, depends how you feel. You know me, I am not the cleaning police, and for me it's just you motivate me to get my house clean. Okay, quick tour just before I start cleaning. So this buffet is way too crowded for me, plus I've got family coming for dinner on Saturday, so I need to have this tidied up and cleared off so I can put food along it, which is always a good start. Table, yes, plant needs to be relocated somewhere else. Need to make room for the high chair this time, I think. But just in case you thought that I kept a really clean house, please note the dust. Yes, dust, this is an area that needs to be cleaned. This is covered in bits of plant and things. Found these again. I thought I'd lost them. Hang on, I've even managed to get dirt inside those. Okay, so you see what I mean? Looks fine on the outside, not so great on the inside. I just watered this. I haven't finished my plants, have I? I must go around and talk about my plants again in another video. The rest of the room is fine. I'm just finding it a bit cluttered. I love my plants, you know that. So maybe what I need to do is to manage some of the rest of the things. Plants outside are all looking good, even though it's dirty out there because of the wind. But I just keep watering and it just keeps blooming, which is pretty good, isn't it? And I think I'll have to show you. I know this is taking up time, but hopefully you've got some time. There we go. Now I'm just going to see if this can come on into focus, dear. Right, look at that. It's wiggling around too much. That tiny one is waiting to come out. There is some more over here. This one is in the sun. So there we go. These tiny little roses are just about to start coming out all over my little rose bush. So remember what I did out here? I planted 2 in this good sized pot, but they are going really, really well. Okay, back inside. I know, I got distracted. And there's a noise out there, so I will shut that door. Clunk. There we are. See, I always get distracted by my garden. And everything else is fine. All of the rest it's tidy. It's even marginally clean. This needs fluffing up. Oh, here's a new baby. Here's my latest new baby. It's a ZZ plant. And I actually got 2 small ones at a market and popped them in together. We'll see how my transplanting worked. So apparently you can't kill them, but never say never, but I'm talking to it madly. Yes, Andy, I am talking to the plant. Hello, dear. How are you doing? I hope you're doing so much better. Sorry I had to sort of disrupt you yesterday, you both, but I thought you'd be happier together. And I popped it here just to recover by the west-facing window, so it'll get a lot of light, but nothing direct. So bright, indirect light is so good for everything. Still got my big TV. It refuses to die. Still got my lights up. Well, it's nearly Christmas again, so it'd be silly to take them down. And that's what I've got to clean today. I'm back, and it's actually been a little while because I thought, hey, I should get some lunch before I do this. But just as I was thinking of that, girlfriend popped in, and several hours later we came back from lunch. So, okay, now I've got to really speed through this. So I'm going to open the door and hopefully hear a few Tweety birds out there. I will work from the top down, so I'll do the dusting spiderwebby parts first, and I'm just doing the dining room, and then I'll do the living room, and then I'll do the little TV snug. I will work in separate blocks, and that's just simply because it's sensible. Now, for a really sensible person, this would be over 3 days, but you know, I'm not that sensible person, and as I say, there are no rules. It actually has dust on it from dust.
You came out of nowhere that first time. Said you were too tired to walk the line. I said, then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith, and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh,
I love these, as you know. I bought them many years ago in Sydney in an antique, like a bazaar almost. There were lots of different stalls, and these are Italian ceramics, and I got them for $30 for the pair. And really, I know it was a long time ago, but I'm not that old. It was a stunning buy. I mean, I had to rewire them and put new lampshades on them, which I did, and then more new lampshades on them as time passed, and they moved a few times, but I still love them, and I love them even more when they shine and they're clean, so that's a good start.
and yet be glad. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you.
Next step is to get this little piece of marble nice and clean, and find somewhere else for my plant to go for the meantime. Now, I do dust this regularly, but there's something about this cleaner, the Daily Granite, that really gets all that sort of stuck on dirt off.
Kiss from you. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh.
Okay, that's clean, that's clean. I've just got to dust these, dust and polish the top, dust the chairs, vacuum the floor, mop the floor, and I'll be done.
Can you please tell it? You never stop. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true.
Well, it's the next day, so I am going to have to really push through to get this done because I'm really not feeling the best, and that's quite a good time for systems to come into play because I don't have to think about what I'm going to do. The only thing that I mightn't do is I may not clean the sofa today, so because that takes a little while to dry, and it's a really cold and miserable day outside, so I've actually excuse me, I've actually succumbed to putting the heating on in November because it's 11 degrees Celsius outside. Yes, you heard me, this is Australia in summer. I know, well, nearly summer. So I'm not very impressed, and I'm sure that's why I'm, sort of all clogged up. And anyway, enough of that. So today, it's right in here, next door to where I was yesterday. There's not really any decluttering to do in this area. It's just full of plants. I have actually already rolled the cat fur off this one. And oh yes, and I bought those 2 cushions. They were super cheap when I popped out yesterday. Okay, I'm going to get into it now. You know what it means? It means cobwebs.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. 1, 2, 3.
I go? I was young once. This is me with my babies when they were babies instead of giant men. That was a short break to make a coffee. This is the process of systems. Now, in a perfect world, which I was going to have, I was going to take up the rug, vacuum the top, vacuum the back and underneath it, and and clean it. But today, being slightly under the weather day, I come back. Oops, I'm really overexposed. Oops, there we go. I can't tell in this light. The light is terrible today, and it's just pouring with rain, which is lovely, believe me. You never complain about rain. But yep, so this isn't a perfect day, so I am falling back on my systems. I know that things will get done next month. I know that things got done pretty completely sort of 2 months ago. That's the point of these systems, that you can just go through, tidy everything up, dust, vacuum, and you really have got a beautifully clean home. Yes, there are other things that we can do, but if it's not going to be today, it's not going to be today. We'll just get on with it.
We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way.
So here we go with the last one, and I'm about as bored with this as you can get. Guess I don't actually love cleaning, I just like my house being clean.
With your body.
Okay, so you're getting the idea that I am over cleaning. I'm feeling better. I must be feeling better. This is a good thing. Okay, I'm starting to feel more like me again, and I'm hungry, and that's a problem because I have a pickup order to pick up tomorrow, but not till about 11. I could order something really healthy, like local Vietnamese is really good. I could do that, local Thai, but then there's that amazing new dumpling place. Oh, that is not good. No. Okay, I'm going to get this clean. I'm so pleased with myself for sounding sort of like I'm normal again. This is good.
We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move all night long? The dance goes on. I am here.
And then pow, there it is, all tidy and done and looking clean and fresh. Clean carpet, the underneath of my lovely chair all polished and, well, all right, dusted and wiped. Didn't actually polish it, but all of the surfaces are done. Little ZZ plant over here is happy. These little plants really need to be repotted or potted up into something to see if they will grow for me. But the little tables are clean. That is the picture that has been waiting to be there for, I don't know how long now, 18 months? Yep, don't tell me about procrastination, I know about it. Everything fluffed and dusted and ready for another week. And maybe next month I will get to pull up that rug and get it all vacuumed on top, underneath, and completely underneath as well. These are all cleaned and polished. The table is all clean and the plants are moved around a bit. My little dining area is tidy. I need a little IKEA high chair to go here and sit over in that corner. We'll just got that end down there, I think, most of the time. And just sit in that little corner and be cute. And there we are. The ponies have been dusted. The floor is nice and shiny. And life is good. And I feel better, which is great. I'm so pleased I got this done. And that's me done for this week. That's zone 4 finished for another month, which is always a good thing. And yeah, I just got to do a quick tidy up now of, well, not tidy up, but I'll quickly do the bathroom so that I have everything ready and nice and clean. Don't like guests coming when the bathroom hasn't been done. But yeah, not that it ever gets really dirty because I zone clean and it does work, even when you're feeling a bit under the weather, as I was today. So yeah, I think, look, my hair is getting so long. What am I going to do with it? Okay, concentrate, Deirdre, concentrate. So I will, yeah, be back with zone 5 and the end of it. So if you'd like to join in, please subscribe and click that notification bell as well, so that you get to know when I've uploaded a video. And I'll also be doing a video on pre-planning. Well, I'll do my plan with me for December, which will be the last for the year, which is terribly scary. And then I'll do a pre-plan for 2019. It's not all that much pre-planning now, but at least it'll give you an idea of the direction that I'll go in. And I'll have one on the full-scale planning for 2019 in January. And then, of course, in December, I'm going to be doing, you know, pre-Christmassy things. And over on Instagram, I will be doing the opening of my Keel's Advent Calendar, which I'm really looking forward to doing day by day. That'll be on Instagram stories. So my Instagram account is down here. I'll write it down. So do jump over and follow me. And if you haven't got an Instagram account, you know what you have to do. You just need one, because it's fun. And if nothing else, it's just a nice way to just visually spend 20 minutes, half an hour, no, oh, we won't talk about that. Okay, so you do need an Instagram account. If you haven't got one, time to go and get one and join me, and we will have a bit of fun over there going through this Advent calendar as the days roll through. Okay, I hope that you are having a wonderful time. You've had a lovely Thanksgiving if you were in America, and anywhere else in the world. I hope that you've had lovely things to be thankful for as well. I know I always do. Start the day, lift my head off the pillow, be thankful. And yeah, sorry, I had to switch arms. Okay, this is pathetic, you see. I'm weak and not fit and not strong at the moment. It's really bad. And I will be back with the next one, probably Monday, Tuesday. I'll just want to get it done before the end of the November sort of sequence. Can't believe how fast that's happened. And I hope that whatever you're doing, you've had a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.